That my will is changed. My wants are changed. This means that life with Jesus Christ is so much more than just the correct answer on a multiple choice question. All of the above, none of the above, whatever it is. As long as it's just the right answer on the multiple choice question, this is something that engages the very core of our hearts and our minds. The first two lines of this wonderful book by Dallas Willard, it's called Renovation of the Heart. The very first thing he says is this: we live from our heart. The part of us that drives and organizes our life is not the physical. We see the physical, we interact with the physical, we're dealing with the physical constantly, but he's trying to get us to see something that Scripture is teaching constantly. It is what is happening inside of our characters, our desires, our minds, our perceptions, our priorities. That's what drives our lives. That's what changes us. If someone is 6'7", what is the one question they get asked when they meet someone new every single time? When did you play ball? You play basketball. What if that person loves doing ceramics and hates basketball? Physically, maybe they could. It's not the physical that has changed their life, but what they want to do is what directed their life in a particular fashion. Listen, friends. What we want the most, what we love the most, what we desire the most, these are the things that end up shaping our lives the most.